Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So again, I'm starting in the room where we have the sandblasting cabinet and so on, because I don't want copyright problems. I had planned to help out a certain person with their engine, but he had to have dinner with his grandmother or something, so we will do that another time. So instead I will be able to spend more time on my Supra, and I will primer the pieces that Sid sandblasted in the previous episode. I actually think that I will round off some odd edges on a few of those pieces, and then I think I'm gonna try and start the big ESAB welding machine, see if I can see where the problem is, so that I can start to do some AC/DC welding, because I want to make aluminum stuff. So that's that. So you just saw me test out the welding machine, and as you could clearly see, this spark plug was sparking, and I did get a bit of electricity jumping from the welding torch to the material. And first I had to switch because the grounding cable was attached to this one, and I believe that's the one you use if you do stick welding. I also had to disconnect the coolant hoses because they were leaking, so you can't see it that well maybe, but there is some water here. So the the high frequency start does work, but not good enough. So I mean, the spark we get from the spark plug is substantial, so I don't think we have any problems there. But we have some components that might need replacing. So and also, when I was reading up on this, I saw one guy who solved the problem basically by refilling the gas tank. So I tried connecting mine, but that didn't make a difference. But at least I know that it works somewhat. I haven't tried. I should be able to do some sort of welding with this. Scrape started. So there are a few things a bit odd going on. We have one safety ground, and then we have this one, and then should those only be linked, or should something be connected there? And of course the burnt components. So I have a few things to test out, but I think the easiest thing to test is to see if I have good connection. But yeah, I have a spark going, so I should have connection there. So in case you were wondering, don't try this at home. This is very dangerous. But what I did do now is I verify that I have a broken wire somewhere. So with this, well, unsafe connection, I was able to get some sort of welding spark going. It was way more powerful than before. So I will do a bit more of troubleshooting on the wire and hose package, see if I can save it somehow. I guess I can. I just need to find where it's broken and put it back together. Here we have the pieces that I just painted in zinc primer, which Sid sandblasted in the previous episode. They have 2 full rounds of primer on them, so I will let them dry until tomorrow or something. And here we have a few pieces that seem to be okay. Only this one needs some extra paint, but I will do that when I do the other ones. So eventually I will be finished with these. So that's it for this episode. There are like 7mm hex fittings on the welding cable, so I think I can pull it out and see where the breakage is. And let's see, the next time I will be painting the pieces flat black. So currently they have 2 rounds of primer, zinc primer, so hopefully it will be better this time. But yeah, now I need to go home, eat, sleep, repeat. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.